Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Office 365 and a new app that's just popped up on my waffle, which is Learning Activities. So as I say, I've clicked on the 9-box waffle. I've got something called Learning Activities. I'm sure some of you may be familiar with it, but for me it's something that's new. So I'm going to click onto it to open it. And you can see I've been having a play with it. So it says there's a heading there, AI-powered activities that spark better learning. So we've got the option, if we come up to the right hand side, to create a new activity. So we've got a flashcard, we've got a fill in the blanks and a matching pairs. So if I come across here, we can see I've had a go at creating a matching pairs. So I've got the title, I could add a short description, and it's got 13 terms, and you can see the terms are there. So those are to go. And if we come across, we can preview the activity. It asks for the students to put in their nickname, but we could get rid of that if we were going to play it on the screen at the front of the room. And we can start the game, and simply students are matching the term and the definition. And they work their way through that, matching the term and the definition. So that's what it looks like. If I stop it there. If you want to share it with your students, we can click share, gives you a link and a coded link which you can share with your learners to get them access. Click on the 3 dots, you've obviously got the option to delete it as well. So that's what the matching pairs looks like. If we go back to learning activities, we're going to have a go at creating one of the other options. We click new activities, we've got flashcards and we've got fill in the blanks. So I'm going to choose fill in the blanks. We've got the option to paste in text up to 50,000 characters, a minimum of 240 characters, or we can add content. So I've already created some text. So I'm going to go to upload files and choose my activity text and click open. It's uploaded that. We've got the option to change language. So there's a whole range of languages. I'm going to keep it on English. And then we can either use the text as it's been entered or allow AI to edit it. We can then choose difficulty from easy, medium and challenging, and then simply click generate. So it's got a draft. We can, using the AI prompt box here, we can ask it to do various things. So it's making some suggestions for us. So it's saying, do we want to make it more, the passage more detailed and descriptive? Do you want to add more blanks for key concepts or include more exercises about depth of field? So I'm happy with that as it is, but we could edit it. And I like this AI, but let's just for the purpose of illustration, let's include more exercises about that and then regenerate. We want AI and we want difficulty of medium, so we'll click regenerate all. So we can use AI to refine our activity. So we're happy with that. So we've now got draft 1 and we've got draft 2, so we can compare them, and we can also preview what the activity would look like. So the activity is saved. We can click preview and that will show you what it looks like. We've got the terms down the bottom, and then we can simply move them from one place to the other. So we can just drag and drop them into play. So again, this could be either used by the students or it could be just something you put up on the screen at the front of the room and the students come up, or through maybe think, pair, share, the students discuss and come up with where they think the answers are. So we exit preview mode. That's already saved. We'll save it just once more. It's going to show us when we've used it how many students have started, how many students have completed, and what the average score is. And it will allow us to edit that. Just like with the other activity, we can click share and it gives a link and a coded link to enable the students to join. What I like about this is we could use it as an activity at the front of the room, or we could use it as it's shared via a link and the students do it on their own devices. Just one quick thing before we finish, just to go in, the last activity is flashcards, and again, same type of thing. You can add content and then you can choose whether it's term and definition, question and answer, or multiple choice. So useful find there. As I say, I think it can be used both as on students' own devices using a link, or used as part of your teaching activities in classroom on the screen at the front of the room. So I hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.